channel, Code, where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. Today, we'll be talking about concatenate. Don't let that word to confuse you. Concatenate simply means the combination of two or more strings. In a layman explanation, I would just simply say that concatenate is just the addition of two or more strings to make sense or to make a sentence. Now, let's go into action and let me show you what concatenate is all about. And before we proceed, I would like to let you know that we can concatenate in two ways. One, by using the plus sign, and two, by using a method called concat. So let's proceed. Now we need to write a comment just to tell whoever is seeing our code maybe for the first time will know what our code is all about. And what I've said there is just that this code is about concatenate, that is adding two or more strings to make a sentence or sense. And to proceed, we'll just declare a variable which I will call first string, and I will assign it to something. Now, look at concatenate like this. For example, if I have two strings, I have one as I love, and the other one I have it to be you. Now, when I concatenate, when I combine both, it will give me I love you. So it makes sense and it makes a complete sentence. That is just what concatenate is all about. So in this case here, I will type rather I love, and the second string I will say second string, and I will just say you, and then we'll get the third string which will hold the result we get from adding the two strings. Now we can now say that the third string will just be the addition of the first string and the second string. And now for us to put that on the screen, we can now try to print out the third, and if we run this, you see it prints out I love you. But if you look at the love you, they are combined. We need to separate them to two different words, and to do that we have to add a white space, and by doing that all we need to do is just an inverted commas. We have that which whereby we are concatenating it to the first string and we are concatenating it to the second string. Thereby it will create a space, an empty space between the love and you. So if we quickly run this, it will give us I love you. You can see that it has spaced the love and you. Now this is one method we can concatenate. The other method that we can use to concatenate is by saying the third string is equal to the first string dot concat, and then we put the second string in the bracket there, and if we run this, it's going to give us print out I love you. Now you can see again that the love and you are combined. To separate this, all we need to do is creating a white space there, and if we run it, it's going to print each word separately by saying I love you. That is all we need to do to concatenate. It's very easy. Just have it at the back of your mind that concatenate simply means the addition of two or more strings. That is the best way it can be explained. And if you understand that concept, you know how to play around with concatenate. And this is where I end my video for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment, as your comment will be welcomed and really appreciated. Thanks, and bye for now.